couldn't believe it.
and potentially
Come, come, come.
expanding
Hello,
its
puppy.
influence far and wide beyond the scope of a little town in Maine. Implications usually were that the creature clown had spread far and wide, possibly even globally. For the most part, though, characters ended up either dying, staying in safety, or seeing glimpses of hope for humanity as the story ended. Or famously offing everyone you love 1 minute before armed forces show up for probably the darkest ending in cinematic history. Let's delve into that idea, shall we? Not the offing your loved ones off thing, but the global mist idea. What would happen if the mist and its inhabitants were unleashed on our world today? Today, we are telling you why you wouldn't survive the mist.